Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set print area on Microsoft Excel. By default, Microsoft Excel will print all data within its printable area. Sometimes people would like to print the particular column on their Excel worksheet. In this situation, how they can print the particular column, let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel sheet, I would like to print without exam time column. So first I have to check the printable area. So I have to avoid print for this column. First I have to go to page layout. Then I have to select the column what we would like to print. So I would like to print this column only. I have to exclude the exam time and click on the print area, then set print area. Now you have to go to print. Now you can check it out. Exam time column has been excluded. So in this way you can set the printable area on your Microsoft Excel workbook. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.